Yo, the time is here, man. Y'all see them, bro. To me, the best Air Jordan 1 of the year. We have them here in full effect. We did the on feed and everything. And I'm telling y'all, bro, these things is straight gas, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciated for you guys to pull up to the videos. Like I said, I want to do more reviews and on feeds over upcoming sneakers, and these happen to release tomorrow, September the 2nd. This is like the final day. You know, they got pushed back a couple of times, but we finally getting a release tomorrow. And go ahead and let me know down below in the comment section if you were able to confirm them joints on Finish Line, JD Sports, FLX apps. Let me know if you are good to go as far as picking your pair tomorrow, or do you have to resort on the lovely sneakers app, man? If you guys new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. This one is long overdue, bro. I was supposed to binge drop this video. I've had these Air Jordan 1 Palominos for quite some time now. I say, you know what, we're gonna save it to the day before the drop. And then we're gonna do a recap tomorrow and see how true those rumors of them being a little harder to get than we thought. We shall see what happens tomorrow, man. And I know you guys see the tee right here, but you got the OutRank Mocha tee on right here. You guys can see it. That goes perfect with your Air Jordan 1 Palominos. I'm telling y'all, this stuff's gonna go quick. The merch they dropped is perfect. And I'm gonna show you guys the other tee right here as well, along with the hat that they sent over. You guys can check it out. If you need a, you know what I'm saying, nice little snapback to go with the Palominos, that have you covered along with this tee, bro. This one's gonna go first, bro. I promise y'all. This one right here is gonna sell out first, bro. Check it out. Heavy pressure. OutRank brand. You guys see what they got going on, bro. Super dope tee. Like I told y'all, show y'all the B-roll. This is probably the one that's gonna sell out the fastest. So make sure you guys go check out OutRank brand. Use my code DaVintage to save you 10% off nice, affordable, good quality merch. Go check out OutRank brand. And back to the Air Jordan 1 Palominos. In this video, man, like I said, I'm gonna try to break down it as best as possible, give you guys all the details, all the hits. It's kind of a simple sneaker, but I definitely think some of them simple colorways definitely pop the hardest, and this is definitely what the Palominos are doing. But I did want to show you guys the box first. If you guys don't remember when I unboxed these a couple of months ago, bro, UPS destroyed my box. But when you guys get your pair in, you should have a nice, pristine condition box, and hopefully my double up that I do get tomorrow, you know what I'm saying, they'll mess my package up. But you do got the gold Nike up top, and the official colorway reads Air Jordan Retro High OG Black Metallic Golden Palomino. You guys see I got these things in size 9. And yes sir, bro, let's go ahead and start breaking these things down. And I do want to point out first, you know what I'm saying, that nice Palomino, that nice mocha brown, whatever you want to call it, on the suede hits of the sneaker, man. So on the heel, you got that nice suede mocha brown in the back right there, and then even leading to the toe box of these joints, you also got this same kind of, you know, rugged suede on these joints. And a lot of people probably bring up the Palomino 3s, but they actually don't look that much in common besides like this, you know, the small coffee divine, you know what I'm saying, mocha brown hits. That's probably where you get your, you know, resemblance in the Palomino 3s and the Air Jordan 1 Palominos that we do have right here, man. Something a lot of people took the UNC toes over these for is that these did not come with any extra laces. You literally only get the black laces that comes with, and this is how I lace my joints up. You guys will see that in the on feed portion and some of the B-roll. This is probably my best way to rock a nice little loose lace with the laces hanging out the side. Thought that was pretty cool. And there's only a couple other ways that I do lace my Air Jordan 1s. And if you guys do want to see an entire, you know, tutorial on how to lace them, I'm gonna link that down below for you guys, man. And then something else people was a little bit salty about for these Palominos is the gold, or the, you know what I'm saying, the Golden Harvest Nike Air on the tongue, bro. So you guys see it, man. You got a nice little know, saying yellow, goldish hit on the Nike Air, and I didn't think it was half bad, you feel me? But I do think that if they would just kept it mocha, it would have been hard too. And then for the midsole on these things, man, it's not just white, bro. It's like an off-white sailorish hit that they did throw on the midsole on these Palominos. Then that went perfect with, you know what I'm saying, the overall kind of monotone sneaker. Like I said, you only got the mocha hits in a couple areas, but it's a predominantly black sneaker, man. So the little gold pops, the little sail midsole definitely complement the Palomino Air Jordan 1s very well, man. And then checking out the track pads, you guys see it, you're nice, mocha hit, all down below. The quality is not bad at all. I know a lot of people always judging Jordan 1s by their quality, but I definitely think that the colorway is going to, you know what I'm saying, make people more inclined to cop the sneaker rather than the quality. Like I said, the leather around the sneaker isn't that tumble, isn't that, you know what I'm saying, crazy in my opinion, but it isn't half bad either, you know what I'm saying? So the suede hits definitely pop. You know what I'm saying? Definitely grab some attention. You guys see the nice little strokes and the suede that they threw on the toe box and even on the Nike swoosh of these Palomino things, man. So you guys let me know down below in the comment section, man, if you will be securing these things tomorrow. You think it's gonna be easy cop? Think it might be a little difficult to grab? I need to see you guys' thoughts and opinions. I'm here for y'all. I love reading you guys' comments. I love seeing what y'all say, man. Some people be going off the wall with their comments. Most of y'all keep the comments pretty simple. But whatever y'all gotta say about the Palominos, man, go ahead and drop y'all thoughts, opinions down below. It's gonna be people coming to this video trying to decide day before if they should grab them, and it might go off of your comment, man. So go ahead and drop it down below. They fire, they trash. What do you rate these things 1 through 10? Me, bruh, I'm going a solid 9.2 on these Palomino things, man. See, I appreciate y'all's support. Thank you guys for tapping in. Make sure you guys, like I said, let me know how you feeling about them. Leave a comment or two, and make sure you leave a huge like on today's video. And if you are new to the channel, if you have not subscribed already, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to that 80K. We're right around the corner. I know you're gonna get there with you guys' support, so I ain't gonna press y'all that much, but hey, hit that subscribe button, man. Again, man, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. And with all this being said, bro, we're going ahead and throw these things on feet. The Air Jordan 1 Palominos. I can't wait till the drop day, man.
Dame la plata, plata. Cash, cash, cash. Get money, get money. It's bam, bam, bam. Hey, it's bam, bam. She wanna flick for the gram. Plus, her baby sabe who I am, so she wanna do it all on cam. Like, hold up, sabe how to hold a pull up. Soon as we done, I'ma roll up. Phone lines are better, I pull up. Papi te paga los biles, pero quiero todo lo tuyo. Prefieres hacerlo conmigo, que siempre lo hacemos bien duro. I bought a Benz, straight from the trap. I don't like paying no taxes. I don't need friends, solo una mami. Papi te enseño what racks is. Me and my chick, we got a chick. Yeah, we treat her like a pet. She keep it G, she keep it tranqui, but she be down with the set. Ay, me and my chick, we got a chick. Yeah, we treat her like a pet. Ay, EBK if you all in the way, you in the field with a vet. Ay, bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Plus, her baby sabe who I am, so she wanna do it all on cam. Like, hold up, sabe how to hold a pull up. Soon as we done, I'ma roll up. Phone lines are better, I pull up. Ay, bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Plus, her baby sabe who I am, so she wanna do it all on cam. Like, hold up, sabe how to hold a pull up. Soon as we done, I'ma roll up. Phone lines are better, I pull up. Vestido Mbappe, rich como Mbappe, I can never let her up stop me. In the backseat, I'm with your chick, I love it when she be on top me. Windows black, that's a fact, she don't even mind getting sloppy. Shooter outside, holding it down, si le digo que hacer, he like copy. Ábrame la ventana para ventilar este humo. No way, Mr. Officer, soy un trap star, so you know. Fumo, bebo, vendo, ¿qué le digo? You know where I'ma send you. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Plus, her baby